Hello guys! So, open na natin ang Christmas party gift.
Okay! First one. Kanino galing daw yan? Basahin ko nga kung kanino galing nakalagay.
Teacher Grace!
Teacher Grace! I help you?
Yes. Saka na.
Wow, paper! Oh, diyan ka daw mag-drawing.
Okay.
Okay, kunin mo na yung paper. Uy, may pencil. Paper and pencil. Thank you, Teacher Grace.
And so, ito na lang.
Kanino yan galing? From? Wala nakalagay. Teacher Christine.
Bigay Teacher Christine. And so guys, chocolate guys.
Chocolate?
Mm-hmm.
Chocolate, oh wow. Too sweet. Oh wow, I like that. Thank you, Teacher Christine.
Okay, next ay ito, Barbie.
What's that? Wow, McDonald's. Ito yung sa kanina, sa meal mo. So hard, guys. Open.
Gulo ng akong video.
Okay lang. Oh, yan.
And so guys,
Barbie with a chair. Oh.
so guys, pilay siya.
Oh, sige, next.
May
Lagyan mo dito.
stickers pa guys.
Lagyan mo dito.
Tapos,
What's next?
saya.
Sa akin yan, pang sandok ng, ano yan?
Kanin.
Kanin. Thank you.
Tapos next, another chocolate.
Another chocolate from, Mino yan galing? Teacher from Gisaya. Gisaya.
Huh?
From Gisaya. Thank you, Gisaya.
Teacher, Mama Higisaya.
Apo. Teacher, hindi, kay Gisaya galing. Okay na. Okay na, lagyan mo na dito yan. Huwag mo nang iwarla-warla. Diyan na sa box. Thank you.
Tapos next,
Next.
ay eto.
Go from teacher from Ron Rick. Ron. From Ron. Gift ni Ron sa'yo. Punitin mo. Yan, ganyan. Careful. Oh, yan.
Pony again.
Wow! So cute. Thank you, Ron.
Next,
From? Wala nakalagay. Sige, open mo na. Sige, punit ulit parang kanina. Baka naka-stapler eh.
wala.
What's that? Wow! McDo yan din. From McDo yan. Wow, kinain ni Daddy ng apple pie. Wala na ito. Ito ay pinagbalutan na. Okay. Thank you guys for your love to Lala. Ayan. Another gift from McDo. Hey! I don't know. Mamaya na. Mamaya mo nag-open. Yung gift.
Mine.
From
Mommy and Daddy.
Mommy and Daddy. Let me help you.
More.
Sige, open mo na. Dito mo na open. Yan, open mo na dyan. Yan. Huwag mo na tanggalin yung mga tape. Open mo na. Kunin mo na yung nasa loob.
Stapler.
Sige, walang stapler yan. Tape lang yan. Open it. Hindi yan, wala. What's that? What's that kaya? Let me cut this part also. Kamay mo, remove. What's that? Open mo muna. Di mo pa nakita yung loob. Ano yan? Kinetic sand. Hindi pa yun yung computer, sa Pangasinan pa yun open. Kinetic sand. Hindi ko alam. Okay na, bye-bye ka na.
Bye.
Bye! Thank you. Sa'yo.
Thank you.
Tingin dito.